Shezray. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can tone your hair at home with this really awesome technique called Rinsage. All you need is a box dye. The color would be blue black, and I picked mine up from Target. You can pick up any brand that you want. This is Garnier and it is in the shade Intense Blue Black. It literally is like maybe $5 or $6, but this is really all you need. And you also need a shampoo. You can use any shampoo that you want. I'm using Bedhead. It's just a shampoo that I use on a regular basis. I also picked up this little kit from Madison Reed, and it is so cute. So it comes with a little mixing bowl and a mixing brush and some clips that I'm not really going to use, but I just wanted to make this like a non-messy process, so I just picked this up from Target. It was literally $12, but if you don't have this, it's okay. You can just use a bowl or a spoon, like whatever you use to mix hair color. It really doesn't matter. So the first thing that you're going to do is you're going to unbox the dye. As you can see, my hair is really brassy. And it has like these orange tones in there, so I kind of want to cancel that out. And so I'm gonna take 2 squirts of the color. You don't need a lot because we are not coloring the hair, we're doing a rinsage technique, we're toning the hair. So I take 2 squirts of this hair color, and then you take an equal amount of the developer and you just put that in there as well. Then what you do is you mix in your shampoo. So I would just take as much shampoo as it takes to cover your whole head. And so I just mix some shampoo in here, and now I'm going to mix it all up. So basically what you do is you apply the entire mixture onto your hair in the shower so that it stays really neat and it doesn't get too messy. And you apply it all over your hair and you just let it sit for maybe like 2 minutes, just depending on how much toning that you need. I usually like to keep it on and continuously check to see if the color is changing, and then I'll wash it off immediately. You don't want to keep it on your hair too long because you don't want to dye your hair like super dark. That's basically what I did, and as you can see, it looks very cool toned. That orange brassiness is gone, and I really like the way that it turned out. This technique will save you so much money, like from going to the salon and spending. You can literally use the tube of color throughout like the whole year whenever you need to tone it. So if you like this kind of content, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next one.